Welcome to PSCMS. Good morning, kids. I hope you have gone through the previous video where I have started the new chapter. I hope you understood all the points. If not, no problem, you can ask the questions in the group or else you can repeat the video. Now, we are going to see the remaining points in this chapter. Now, let's start the logo. In all programs, then click on Microsoft Windows logo. In that again click on Microsoft Windows logo. Then the next screen will appear in front of you. Here you have to click on OK. Once you click on OK, this screen will come in front of you. You can maximize the screen with the help of maximizing button. Then here we have one commander window that I already explained you what exactly this commander window and what this whole window is there. Some of the control buttons are also there. Okay, and this centralized one triangle is there and that is called as a turtle. Okay, this much of explanation is already done in the previous lecture, right? So now we are going to revise the previous commands I have taught you. The first command is FD. This is used for forward. So here I will give the number. Just have to type the number, then enter. Can you see this? This line is drawn because of this command. FD space 200 means we have given the command to our logo to draw the line of size 200. Okay, now if I want to draw the square, I have to use the LT or the RT command. Okay, LT means left or RT means right. Now whichever turn you want to take. Now I will take here RT space. As in the previous lecture I already told you that RT or the LT will be used the sum of the degrees to turn the turtle. Okay, so here I will use 90 degrees to turn our turtle. Okay, RT space 90. Once I will press this, you can see the change in the turtle direction. Here our turtle is directly totally turned to the right direction. Okay, so again I can do FD space 200. Can you see this? Here again our turtle is moved to straight forward. Yes, right? And why this direction is changed? Because of the RT command. Okay, again I will change the direction of our turtle. RT space, again I will use the 90, which turn the turtle to 90 degrees of the right side. Okay, now again I will use the FD command, FD space 200, then enter. Okay, so here again our turtle moved to 200. Now again I want to change the direction of the turtle. Then what I will do, I will again type the RT space 90, then enter. Now again our turtle is moved to 90 degrees, right? Now I will forward this FD space 200. Yes, here what we have done, we have drawn one square using these commands. So how we have done? With the help of FD, RT, okay, and all are, you have seen that RT is 90 degrees, means here if I want to draw a square I have to use the 90 degrees right or left. Okay, so RT will be for the right or LT for the left. Okay, like this we can draw the square. Now I want to clear the screen. Okay, so for clearing the screen we have CS command. CS stand for clear screen. Once we click on this and then enter, here everything will be cleared from your drawing area. Okay, now if I want to clear this whole commander window, then we have to use CT. What we have to use? CT, and CT stand for clear text. CT and then enter. Now you can see the clear commander window. So to clear our whole drawing screen or this turtle screen, we use CS for clear screen, and to clear the text we use the CT. Are you get it? So like this, what we can do, we can draw the square using our right or left command and then our FD command. Okay, now one more thing we will draw on this. We will draw a triangle here, and how to do that? Of course with the help of FD, LT or RT. So again, firstly I will change the direction of our triangle, that is turtle, right? So RT space, here I will not do that 90 degrees, I will just do the 40 or 30, it's up to you. Then use any number which you want. Here we have changed the direction, then FD, then 200 is sufficient. Now we have to turn the or change the direction of turtle. Again RT, and here I will use 120 degrees. Okay, then FD 200. Okay, now what I want to do, now I want to touch the starting line of this turtle. So how to do that? Now I will use the home command. What is home command? Home means when you type this home command, it will give the instruction to the turtle to come on its original place, means where it starts. Okay, so type HOME, then enter. Can you see this? When you press the home key, it will come at its original place, okay, or its origin place. Like this, you can move your turtle according to your requirement. Did you get that? I hope you understood all these points. So here we actually finished all the points in your logo. The last command is remaining in this chapter is by command. This command is used to close the logo. Okay, so before using that, I would like to tell you these some of the commands we have learned in this logo. So in the next chapter we are going to use some more commands to understand this logo. But for till now you understood only RD, RT, FD, LT, home and BK, CS, CT. Okay, so these are the commands you have learned in this chapter. So in the next period I will taught you a app which is used to draw the logo commands. So in your mobile also you can practice that. Okay, so now we will close this logo with the help of by command. And how to do that? We just have to type BYE. BYE we have to type and then enter. Once we enter the key here, then this command will execute. There are two ways to close the screen. One, you have to click on the close button, or else you can type BYE, then enter. Like this your screen will be, or your logo screen will be closed. Have you understood? See one more time what we have to do. We just have to type BYE, then enter. Have you seen how to close it? There are two methods to close. One, use the by command, or else you can use the close button. Okay, so till here we have understood all the commands which are taught in this chapter. Okay, practice it, which I will give in your next lecture. Okay, in the next lecture I will tell you which app is useful for this logo commands. Okay, till then take care, bye bye.